How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
In just 5 minutes, remove unwanted hair permanently. No hair, no wax. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will share with you an effective recipe to remove unwanted hair. We need these ingredients to make this recipe: 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of toothpaste, 1/2 cup of water. Mix all the ingredients very well. Now apply this recipe with a cotton ball on the area you want to remove unwanted hair from. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Then wash it off by cold water. Oh, finally! I hope this recipe helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.